Hello aviators, today we are unboxing this Daron Skymarks 1:200 scale A380-800 Emirates and this Daron Skymarks 1:200 scale of a Boeing 777-300 ER. Yeah. Did I miss a detail? I'm not sure. So, let's open the smaller one first. Let's open this one first. The Boeing 787. 777. It's because I was looking at this. That's why I said 787. Okay, let's go. Let's start opening it. So, I'm so excited because this came from America. We ordered it from Amazon. And yeah, so this is my first time touching it. It's so nice. It's so cold as well. Alright, I'm gonna be really careful with this one. Right, here's the model. So yeah, I'll just review it later when I'm done with the opening and everything. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it here first. So first we get the, which one is this? The right wing. Here's the right wing. So we just put it like that. There. Now let's get the left one. That. There you go. Now we have it. Now let's get the engines. This was actually bigger than I expected it to be. I was expecting a smaller model, so I was surprised. Anyways, let's see there. It perfectly fits. And then the other one there. So nice now. Right, now we just open the stand. Yeah. Alright, so here's the stand. It's bigger than I expected it to be as well. Let's just assemble it first. There. So now the stand is assembled. Oops. Now we're gonna put the elevators. There we go. There. Let's open the other one. So which one's this side? So this one is the left side. Hold on. This is hard. I just place it like that. And this is the right one. Right, so here's the model. I'm gonna place the stand down. Whoa. This is so big. Okay, so I'm just gonna place the stand. I'll just fix the stand later because it doesn't fit. But oh my gosh, all the wheels roll. The wheels don't tilt that much, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it here. There. Now let's unbox the biggest passenger plane in the world. Alright, I'm scared because this is gonna be super duper big. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it here. Right. Oh, this is scary. Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh my god. Whoa. This was also bigger than I expected it to be. Oh look, the gears also tilt. There. Whoa, it's so gigantic. Whoa. Okay, so as you can see, the three wheels are here and the front wheel is here. So just place it here first and let's get... Whoa. Sorry about that, everyone. I didn't know it was gonna make that big of a sound. Look at the size of this. Oh my god. So first let's put the right wing. And then we put the left wing. Oh my gosh, this is so gigantic. Look at this. So the 4 engines are here. Let's open it now. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, sorry about that. So here are the 4 engines. I'm gonna place it here first. Alright, next engine. Here. And the next one. This is the engine number 2. And then the engine number 1. There. Whoa. So big. Okay, lastly, we put the elevators. And the stand. And the stand. Oh, alright. This is so big. Alright. The same size as the 777. It's the same size of the stand. The stand has the same scale. Oh, this is so hard to open. Oh, there. I just pulled it out. And this one also. So this one is the right one. And then this one is the left one. Here it is. So now I'll just put it in the stand. And I'll fix my table and I'll put them beside each other. Right. I'll just fix my table. And then let's put them beside each other. Don't worry guys, I keep the boxes. And I throw the plastic away properly. Here's the A380 and the 787. So in this one, I already reviewed this. Like the wheels and everything. Yeah. And you see the engine design. Both of them have it. Yeah, and this one's registered as A6EBQ. And this one is registered as A6EEA. So now let's review this since we're done with this. So this, it also has all wheels also tilt and roll, but not that much tilt. But like, and yeah, all the wheels roll, but the stand is very jiggly, so I should be careful because the models might fall. So I guess that's all for today. Bye guys!